Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build 22624.1755, which is released to the beta channel. As a reminder, insiders previously on build 22623 will automatically get moved to build 22624 via an enablement package. The enablement package artificially increments the build number for the update, with new features getting rolled out and turned on to make it easier to differentiate from devices, with the update with features off by default. Insiders who landed in the group with new features turned off by default build 22621 can check for updates and choose to install the update that will have features rolling out build 22624. Starting with this build only consists of a few fixes. Fixes in build 22624.1755. For settings should no longer crash when attempting to uninstall an app while using grid view. For input, fixed an issue where the pinned Uname's insert text button wasn't displaying correctly in some cases. Fixes for both build 22621.1755 and build 22624.1755. This update addresses a race condition in Windows Local Administrator Password Solution, LAPS. The Local Security Authority Subsystem Service, LSAS, might stop responding. This occurs when the system processes multiple local account operations at the same time. So that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.